Hey everybody, the fireworks are over now, so I'm just going to show you the carnival at night because it's like all bright and lights and stuff. Here's the cotton candy and the cold drink stand. And here's this thingamabob. And a ticket booth. Little ride. There's the roundup again. Kind of rushing because I want to go home. Back to the tent because I am tired. It will take me half an hour just to get there. Makes that squeaking noise. I don't like that. Squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Yeah, so not really much to it. Looks cooler at night. There's a couple of interesting rides, but I wasted enough money today. So now I'm going back to the campsite. Going back to the campsite. People lining up for hamburgers and hot dogs and all kinds of other stuff. So, should have brought my flashlight. Flashlight! Satellite!